is equal to 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 2 ja 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 3 ja 18. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 4 ja 24. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 6 5 ja 30. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 6 6 ja 36. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 6 7 ja 42. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. 6 8 ja 48. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. 6 9 ja 54. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 6 10 ja 60.